Hey there, I'm Jason.
And I'm Rich.
And we're with Tighten Up Clean, your program for fun, facts, and all things cleaning. Do always remember to share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all fresh alerts.
So in our last video, Jason took our 15-minute bathroom challenge. How did it turn out, Jason?
Well, Rich, it actually turned out amazing. Cleaning in a bathroom in 15 minutes is pretty cool, and we're tighten up. So since the restroom in our office is small, it took less than 15 minutes, to be honest.
In our last video, we professionally did a bathroom cleanup challenge, and in 15 minutes, completed it, showing our viewers that it can be done quickly and still look great. And with the magic of film, really, it took about 28 seconds.
In our business, we primarily do commercial properties. Your restaurants, your bars, hotels, office space. We run into some pretty nasty stuff.
Yeah.
We're always looking for ways to be effective, but fast.
So Jason, we know you can clean a bathroom in 15 minutes, but what about a kitchen?
Heck yeah, I can. Cleaning is what I do. So this is another challenge.
Of course it is. Don't be a chicken.
Cool, let's do this.
So let's talk about some of the steps you're going to need to take to get this done. First, like with the bathroom, you're going to want to start with high dusting, and you always work from top to bottom. So you start in the top of the cabinets. You want to get the faces of the cabinets, especially with the kind of the indents that most cabinets have. And you want to get wainscoting, which is the trim wall that's kind of at waist level, and you want to get the tops of your baseboards.
Gather all the trash in the kitchen. Dumping expired, leftovers from the fridge, clearing food, dirty dishes into the dishwasher. Of course, remove a lot of the food that's been on those dishes so that doesn't get stuck in your dishwasher.
So take the trash bag out of the trash can itself and go ahead and just spray that garbage can with some disinfectant. And one thing we want to really hit home on in this video is dwell time. Dwell time is the amount of time that a chemical needs to actually be effective. And so when you have a dwell time of 5 minutes, for example, that means that whatever surface that chemical is on, it needs to be wet with the chemical for 5 minutes before you wipe it away or vacuum it away, or however you're extracting it. So when it comes to the trash can, go ahead and spray it with whichever disinfectant you're using, and make sure you give it proper dwell time.
Read the label.
Yeah, read the label.
Wipe down the fridge, microwave, cupboards, pantry doors. I remember those little creases. Handles, countertops, everything with disinfectant. This also applies to stovetop, ovens, or even a washer and dryer that may be in there.
Yep, it's very European. You want to clean the inside of your microwave with a damp rag with water, just water. You don't want to get any kind of cleaning chemical agent stuck inside of your microwave. And just get your rag really wet once you've done wiping everything, and put it in the microwave and let it run for about 2 minutes just to sterilize it. It'll get real steamy inside there. And before you go ahead and reach in and grab that rag, just wait a little bit because it'll be hot.
Remember gloves also.
Yeah.
Sweep your floor. Load up that dishwasher and with the dirty plates and let it ride.
You want to apply neutral cleaner to the floor and give it some dwell time. Clean all the surfaces with the disinfectant by wiping off your disinfectant. Make sure you wipe off the stove top and the oven, including the trash can that you sprayed earlier with disinfectant.
After disinfectant has been wiped up, the floors have been dusted, it's time to mop. And that's what we're going to use is a neutral cleaner to spray on. Again, we're in and out 15 minutes. And just a nice little scrub if you've got a little stain or something that just is a little stubborn.
Yeah. When it comes to actually mopping, we always prefer to use a flat microfiber. It gets a lot more of the dirt, contaminants, bacteria, germs, things that accumulate. And it's a lot faster than that old string mop and having to slosh a bunch of water around and everything. So you want to just go ahead and use a nice microfiber mop.
Links below. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video today, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Pass along, and
as long as you regularly flush your toilet, studies have shown that your sink is actually dirtier than your toilet. It has more bacteria and germs. So it's one reason to frequently clean your sink and make sure that you scrub it off and just go ahead and disinfect it on a regular basis, because in a typical home, they found that there's a lot of germs and bacteria hanging out in your sink.
Or office.
Office sinks too. So that's it for today. Thanks for spending 15 minutes with us cleaning a kitchen. Take care.
See you guys.